In the case where you need to transport your e-bike, it's a good idea to pack it in a good way. And this video will show you how to pack your e-bike. If you need to return the bike, please unbind the bike with your app. Go to My Settings, My Device, Unbind, OK. Next, remove the battery from the frame. Put it back in its protective box. Then slide it into the bike packing. Next, take off the pedals. Turn the nut counterclockwise for the right pedal and clockwise for the left pedal. Put it into the position slot. To uninstall the seat post, loosen the fastener to a state where the seat post can move up and down freely. Use the plug to prevent the fastener from falling out during shipping. Pull the seat post out. Disconnect the cable. We suggest putting the cardboard into the frame opening to prevent the fastener dropping out, and stack the cable back into the opening of the frame and the seat post. Put the seat post into its slot. Next, release the quick release device from the front wheel. Screw the cap and the spring back on the device. Take off the front wheel and put the front fork on the floor gently. Put the protection plate onto the wheels, the brake caliper, and the screen. Collect all the tools and the quick release device into the tool bag. Attach the tool bag onto the bike. Apply the protective material onto the bike. Put the charger manual into the slot. Roll the back wheel into the back wheel holder. Turn the handle to the right. Lift the bike and gently put it in the box. Apply the protection plate on the front fork area. Sit the front wheel on it with the disc brake facing upward. Close the box, and you have completed the procedure. Please tighten the outside of the box firmly so that it won't fall out during transport. For more help, please contact support@URTOPIA.com.